Welcome to our enchanting LEGO adventure as we embark on an extraordinary journey through the wondrous world of Disney magic. Today, we're delving into the highly anticipated LEGO 43222, the Disney Castle set released in 2023. With its majestic and whimsical design, this colossal set promises to transport us into the heart of Cinderella's iconic castle at Disneyworld, Orlando, Florida. As the elegant black box slides open, the magical world of Disney unfolds before our eyes. Targeted towards adult LEGO enthusiasts with a keen eye for detail and nostalgia, the set boasts a lavish 18+ treatment. The signature Disney 100 logo, shared with other sets from this year, graces the top right corner, setting the stage for an awe-inspiring build. With 4,837 pieces awaiting our creative touch, the excitement is palpable. Alas, the bags aren't sorted by number, requiring us to unleash all the pieces for this grand adventure. 38 bags are meticulously organized into 25 numbered sections, accompanied by one unnumbered bag of awe-inspiring large elements. The joys of creating something magical from scratch. While no entirely new molds grace this set, it's the resplendent array of recolors that truly shines. A delightful inclusion is the 1 multiplied by 2 profile brick, appearing in light nougat for the very first time, accompanied by its sand blue counterpart. In a nod to fans' desires, LEGO grants us more shimmering options with pearl gold 1 multiplied by 2 plates, a rarity in this regal hue until now. Delightful new prints grace the set, such as the charming 1 multiplied by 3 tiles adorning the castle's outer walls, reminiscent of arrow slits or loopholes. The set also treats us to a sketch of Mickey Mouse from Steamboat Willie and Cinderella's iconic slipper, capturing the essence of timeless Disney classics. The journey begins on the bottom floor with silver sticker portraits of beloved Disney princesses, nestled behind the sand blue exterior walls. A delightful play feature awaits us at the central dance floor, a spinning wonder thanks to the ingenious use of large studded gears. After a meticulously crafted construction, the breathtaking Disney castle stands tall at 31.5 inches 80 centimeters, exuding an awe-inspiring aura. The color scheme, combining sand blue with blue roofs and gold accents, is a sight to behold, and the whimsical touch of the light nougat upper section adds that unmistakable fairy tale charm. As we explore the castle's open back, we find small references to iconic Disney animated movies, adding delightful Easter eggs throughout. Perhaps a touch more detail within the interiors could elevate the experience even further, but it's undeniable that this set will make any Disney fan's heart sing with joy. In conclusion, the LEGO 43222, the Disney Castle set, is a spellbinding masterpiece, skillfully recreating the magic of Disney World's crown jewel. With its intricate details, captivating prints, and a touch of enchantment, this set is a must-have for collectors and Disney enthusiasts alike. Get ready to relive your favorite fairy tales and immerse yourself in a world of Disney magic with this awe-inspiring LEGO masterpiece. And there you have it, an enchanting journey through the LEGO 43222, the Disney Castle set. If you enjoyed this magical adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future LEGO escapades. We've got more spellbinding reviews and captivating builds coming your way, so join us as we continue to explore the wondrous world of LEGO creations and Disney magic. Thank you for watching, and until next time, may your days be filled with imagination and wonder. Subscribing is just one click away, so let's embark on this incredible journey together. See you soon.